In this video, I'm going to share with you a new Fiverr affiliate service that you should promote on Facebook if you want to earn commission. This will be specific and easy service that you can promote on Facebook, and I will share with you how we can find people who will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link. Okay, so let's get started. As you can see over here, I made $215 just by promoting Fiverr affiliate links using free traffic. And I'm promoting specific services. You cannot promote any services. You need to choose specific services that people will be interested to buy from your affiliate link. Okay, so let's get started. So what you need to do, so for people who are new to Fiverr affiliate and you want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do is you need to go to Google first, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here. Okay, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, it's easy and simple. After you finish, come to this page, scroll down like this. Okay, so just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, as you can see, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. Okay, as you can see over here. Okay, so what you need to do next, you can check this website. You can click over here on commission plan. Okay, and you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so to join Fiverr affiliate, click over here on join now, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate page over here. So you can sign up easy and simple. So as you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. Put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, account type, make it private. Okay, scroll down, you will answer a few questions, choose your country. Okay, and choose your language. Okay, and put your Skype here. So then if you don't have Skype, that's okay, just click on next, follow a few steps, and that's it. As you can see, it's easy and simple. Anyone can sign up. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go back to your Fiverr home page. Okay, go back to Fiverr, to your home page. Okay, so now I'm gonna share with you which service you should promote on Instagram, on Facebook. Okay, sorry, on Facebook. Click over here on the search for Instagram. Okay, search for Instagram promotion. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. Search for Instagram, search for Instagram promotion. Okay, so let me see. Search for Instagram promotion, and here you go. You will find a lot of sellers here that are providing this service. Okay, so I want you to pay attention in this step. So always make sure to choose good sellers. Like I said, choose good sellers. Choose level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews, and so on. Okay, so if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. This one is top rated seller. He has 5 stars, a lot of reviews, and he is selling this service for $25. So what you will do is you will click on his service like this, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. Okay, as you can see like that. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to copy his profile link. Okay, copy his profile link, then go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here on marketing tools, then click on default and dip links. Okay, you will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this affiliate link here like this. Click over here, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be like this. Okay, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next is you need to copy this link from here. Okay, as you can see, this link is too much long, so we need to make it short to look professional and branding. Okay, so what you will do is you can go to Google, search for Bitly. Okay, search for Bitly. This website is for free, and this website make long links short, and you can use it for free. Of course, you just need to sign up by using your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click, and you can use it for free. Click over here on create new link. Okay, like this. Put your affiliate link here and click over here on create, and here you go. You just made your short affiliate link. Okay, so what you will do next, copy this link from here. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go back to your Facebook home page. Okay, go to your Facebook home page, click on the search for Instagram. Search for Instagram followers, for example. Scroll down and click over here on groups. Okay, because we need Instagram followers, YouTube, Facebook groups. Okay, so you will find a lot of Instagram groups on Facebook that you need to join. Okay, so make sure to join all those groups. Okay, there are a lot of groups over here, as you can see. Just click on join, and make sure to join a lot. So for example, I will click on this Facebook Instagram group over here. You will be directly in this page on this group, and as you can see, people over here search for follow back. They want to grow their Instagram page. Okay, they want to get more followers, more likes, and so on. As you can see, for example, this one, follow. This person is looking to grow his Instagram page. Okay, so those people will be interested to use this service. They will be interested to grow their Instagram page using this service, if that makes sense. I'm promoting specific services to people who will be interested to buy this service. Okay, as you can see over here. Okay, so these people will be interested to buy my service. Okay, as you can see, Instagram here, Instagram links, people looking for you follow they are searching for people to follow their Instagram page. Okay, so what you need to do, let me show you, is you will go to this group, for example, click over here on write something, put your affiliate link here like this. Okay, like this. So what you need to do next, let me show you. This is my affiliate link, as you can see, is you need to go back to this seller page on Fiverr, scroll down, you can see over here about this link. So what you will do is you will copy his description. I'm gonna copy this part, for example, like this, and I will go to Facebook. I will put this description here, and here you go. I'll be your Instagram manager to optimize your account and grow it in terms of engagement. How will I do it? Following users by location, hashtags, or computer audience, by liking and commenting, and so on. So this person will grow Instagram page, and just for $25 people will give it a try. There are a lot of people who will be interested to use this service. So what you need to do is you just need to click on post, and your Fiverr affiliate link will be posted on this Facebook group. And as you can see, there are a lot of people here who will be interested to buy this service. So you give it a try, and of course you will not promote your affiliate link just in one Facebook group. So you need to join a lot of Facebook groups, and put your Instagram, your favorite affiliate link on a lot of Facebook groups, so your chance to get commission will be high. Okay, so that's how you can promote specific services on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any question, leave it in the comments, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want more content like this, and I will still share a lot of new services with you guys. So see you in my next videos.